Hello everyone, this is MB Kitchenette and welcome to my channel. MB Kitchenette is a place where you can find easy, healthy, home-cooked recipe. To all my followers, thank you for being here once again. And to those who are new here, welcome to my channel. Today I prepare a very well-known Filipino dish which is called Pancit Canton. Just like Pancit Bihon Gisado and Pancit Palabok. Pancit Canton is easy to prepare and being served in any occasions. Write in the comment your name and the country where you are watching my video, and I will thank you and greet you on my next video. Don't forget to check the descriptions of this video, where you can find kitchenwares and kitchen utensils which are for sale. I hope you find them suited to your kitchen. To begin, we need to chop or mince 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Don't forget to subscribe at the end of the video for you to always be notified. Then slice 1 medium size of red onion. We need 1 piece of carrot which is cut diagonally. Your feedback helps my channel to grow. Write your views in the comment. Cut 1 stalk of celery. In this recipe, it's the celery that brings a delightful flavor and aroma to the dish. Have a slice from a red bell pepper and green bell pepper and cut them into square. What is good with this dish is just the ingredients can always be found in every ordinary kitchen. Since this recipe is good for a single serving, I just get 1 leaf from a cabbage. If you need to serve more, then adjust the ingredients. Maybe then you can cut the cabbage in the middle and cut into square. This recipe is made as easy for you to follow. Write your views in the comment. Have 200 grams of chicken breast and cut into cubes. Just a hint. If you are cutting chicken or any kinds of meat, try to cut them as much as possible of same size. This way, they are all cooked of same time. In a heated pan with vegetable oil, sauté the garlic and onion. Keep on stirring while cooking until the aroma comes out. Then add the chicken and continue cooking for 2 to 3 minutes. Never let the chicken overcook, or else it removes the tenderness and juiciness of the chicken. Once the chicken meat turns into white, then add the carrots and celery. Again, continue on cooking while stirring for about 1 minute, then add a cup of water. For the flavors, add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of pepper, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce. Wait until it starts to boil, then add the bell pepper and cabbage. After 1 minute, add 10 grams of Pancit Canton noodles, or I just fill the cup with the noodles as my measuring cup. Just dipping it down into the sauce until it becomes soft, then continue on mixing, and by this time you can turn off the heat. Filipino Pancit Canton is the perfect one-pot meal for family dinners or special occasions. Made with wheat noodles and assorted meat and vegetables, this noodle stir-fry is hearty, tasty, and sure to be a family favorite. Filipino cuisine has many types of stir-fried noodle dishes, but although meat and vegetable add-ins are mostly similar, the kind of noodles used vary. A few of the varieties we have are bihon made of rice noodles, sotanghon or cellophane noodles made of mung bean starch, and Pancit Canton, which are wheat noodles. To all my viewers from Germany, USA, Philippines, and Pakistan, hello there, and I hope you enjoy and learn from today's recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to always notify on my next video. Have a happy, healthy meal.